Abi görürsünüz. Arabalar dere nasıl getirir görürsünüz. Bak. Sana subhanallah. Bak. Sanki bala gelir.
Ya Rabbi tövbe ya Rabbi. Ya Rabbi sen merhamet et ya Rabbi. Ya Rabbi sen merhamet et. Ya Rabbi sen merhamet et ya Rabbi. Abi de battı.
Turkey has been hit by severe floods in recent days, with the northern province of Bartın being the worst affected. Heavy rainfall has caused rivers and both their banks, leading to landslides and significant damage to homes and infrastructure. According to local authorities, at least 27 people have lost their lives, while dozens more than still missing. Rescue teams are working around the clock and locate survivors and provide assistance to those affected by disaster. The Turkish government has declared a state of emergency in Bartın and neighboring provinces, with the military being deployed to support their relief efforts. President Erdogan has promised that all necessary rescue will be mobilized to help the affected communities and provide them with much needed aid. The floods have also disrupted transportation and caused power outage, where many roads and bridges been washed away. The Turkish Red Crescent has launched an appeal for donation for support their relief efforts, with the organization providing shelters, food and medical assistance to those affected.